My name is Stithiuns. You may call me Busi. I will be your guide for today. Right? With me is Indlondlo. He's the assistant for Inkosi, the chief of the site in Indlondlo. And the lady here that was helping you with recordings is Zinhle, and the guy there is the warrior Isabelo. You will see him changing the stage as he gets inside. I don't know, maybe you will sometimes, you won't be sure if it's the same person you saw when we were entering here. Right. Yeah, you won't believe. All right, here you are at Indlondlo Cultural Village, and I'm sure it was your plan to come to this site, eh? Yes. Yeah. Okay. I'd like to know what it is.
You're so quiet.
You know why I'm asking this question?
We take Zulu as a subject, so it help us understand some things a lot better.
All right. Because here we're dealing with izinto zamaZulu. The chief. We'll ask him asicelele imvume yokungena ngaphakathi enkosini. Baba kumele naba abantwana bazocela ukufunda, bazocela ukungena ngaphakathi. Sicela nje ukuba ngasicelela yini enkosini ukuthi mhlambe bafinyelele ngokufunda.
Sanibona. Njani? Hayi. Kuba bengizwela khona imbuzo befanele ngiyibuze ngeke ngisakwazi ukuyibuza. Befanele nami ngibuze ukuthi bazokwenzani. Kodwa ngihlala sobuzile sengiyazi. Ake ngihambe ngiyocela undaba ezinhle.
Siyabonga. Usibushele kakhulu. All right, guys. What is happening right now? We're trying to show you that you do not just drive in. Before you get in, you should ask for permission, even if you called area. But you should also try and announce that now I'm here. Am I still allowed to get in? I will tell them or ask them to say the praises before we get inside. But we do not have any voice here. We'll again ask Induna to ask for permission for us to get inside. Babandun. Right?
Babantwana bakho ndaba ezitha. Bekuvakashele. Hey, waphele wabaleka. Bezitha. Obanda abakhulekayo. Ekseni emzini wabo. Ndaba ezitha. Ingceku zenkosi eqhamuka le emazweni. Bathi bacela ukuzobona inkosi. ngokusemthethweni babe nolwazi bahleze bezwa ngendaba kuthiwa khona inkosi yalapha kwindlondlo namhlanje bathi bafuna ukuyibona ngamehlo.
Hayi, kulungile. Abangene ngaphakathi.
This is what she's making, right? As it goes down, it will be the full mat. Okay. Because you can make different food products using mealies. Can be mealies for izingobe, can be some, can be mealie meal.
Banana war. Banana war. Banana war. Yeah, the banana war. Yeah, banana war. Yeah.
I said I'm not going to teach you, I'm not going to tell you how to sit. I want to know how much you know, right? Then later I will tell you, right? For now, we're waiting to have some words from the chief of the village, Ubaba Mngadi, Shogo.
Good morning everyone.
To do what we don't allow in our culture. I won't myself, but I'll ask one of you to do it, right? You will know what it is that you will do, all right? In our culture, the Zulu culture, we mostly protect this part. Is this part. That is why the ladies should sit like this, like that. And what it is, which style that we are not allowed to use? Can one? And what we're doing here, I did say that it's only culture, so you will be having something that we prepare according to culture yethu. Ake ngibone ukuthi sinani okujwayelekile. We having sorghum beer.
Ngimdala bafana bami ngimdala 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 bafana bami ngimdala ngimdala.
Igama leli engaliphiwa khona ethongeni ngezathu ezithize, hayi ukuthi isibongo sami. Mina isibongo sami ngowakaMakhathini isibongo, kodwa ethongeni ngibizwa ngogogo umnisi wemvula ngezizathu zokuthi ngibe umnisi wemvula.
Inkosi.
La ngizoqala ngichaze mayelana nokuba isangoma, umehluko phakathi kwesangoma nokuba inyanga, nokuba umthandazi. Ngizoqala la ekubeni inyanga. Umuntu obizwa ngenyanga umuntu ongazange aye kothwasa. komunye umuntu ayofundela mhlawumbe imithi komunye umuntu. Cha, umuntu oyinyanga umuntu owazi imithi ngesikhwama ukuthi meya ehlathini lapha uyazi ukuthi uyothatha umuthi othize afike uyawazi ukuthi usebenza kanjani lowo muthi, ulapha kanjani lowo muthi, but akayanga emzini nomuntu athi mhlawumbe uyakuthwasa kanjenganesangoma. Bese kuthi umuntu owumthandazi umuntu ongenwe abantu abadala but izithundu kakhulukazi usebenza ngokwenkonzo, akasebenzisa imithi kanjenganesangoma or kanjenganenyanga. Usebenzisani kakhulukazi yena? Usebenzisa nje ichibi, ufika nje alikhulekele nje lelo chibi kuyena sekuyinto le ezokwazi ukuthi isize omunye umuntu. Ikakhulukazi futhi akabi nezinto ezifana nalezi thina sifakayo imiyeko yonke into kanjalo, kabi namabhayi, uba namajazi lawa ezithunywa, lento ekuthiwa isithunywa aphiwe sona sokuthi akwazi ukuthi asebenze ngamakhambi elentuzana ichibi noma isiwasho. Umuntu ophiwe ngokwenkonzo loyo okuthiwa umthandazi, kodwa uyakwazi futhi ukuthi alaphe umuntu aphile asinde. Bese ngiza la kwisangoma, thina ke lapho umakhosi. Umuntu oyisangoma ukuze egcine futhi esebe yisangoma, usuka la ekuguleni kwakhe. Lento kwesinye isikhathi isuka emumva, not ukuthi ngoba nakuyena esekhona avele thole seyisangoma nje, cha. Kusuka ekuguleni kwakhe noma kusuka lapha ekhaya kunomuntu okwakufanele abe isangoma kodwa wangakwazi ukuthi athathe lo msebenzi, wagcina mhlawumbe esedlulile emhlabeni. Lo muntu usuke ukudlula kwakhe usuke nalapho ekhona esaphila, ngoba uzovuka komunye umuntu okhona la egcikeni ukuthola ukuthi kufanele ukuthi angene ilento okufanele ingene loya wangayisebenza yena, wangayilandela, kodwa ekhaya egcikeni khona umuntu ozovuka abe yilowo muntu, sekumele ukuthi abe isangoma. Inkomba zalokho uzobona ngokuthi ngokugula zihlukahlukene ukugula ukuthi ungenele ukuthini ube isangoma.
Is that like something that's possible?
It's highly possible.
Does it mean that they're going to be a sangoma?
No, it doesn't. Okay, let me ask direct to Makhosi. Makhosi, uyabuza umntwana uthi mangabe uyazi ukuthi kwifamily yakhe kwake kwakhona ugogo oyisangoma and mhlambe yena uyedwa uzelwe yedwa,
uthi mangabe njengoba mina ngisangoma kukhona ekhaya lami ufuna ukuthi abe isangoma, so ke abantu abadala mina it's easy ukuthi bafike kumina bayikhuluma lento le ekufuna engabe yenziwa usisi loyana. Mina sengizokwazi ukuthi ngoba ngumuntu osevele oseyazi leyo nto nokuthi kuba easy futhi ukuthi basondele eduze kwami nxa ngikhuluma nabo, ngiyakwazi ukuthi bafike bangitshela ukuthi okay nalo yaya.
somlahla abanye bamlahla kanjani somlahla abanye bamlahla sisefile Jezulu alama kona savuka makho sisefile Jezulu Kamana ikodo wefa umgono Kamana ikodo wefa umgono Kamana ikodo wefa umgono Kamana ikodo wefa umgono Kamana
drama versus Colin.
But like, I don't know. Okay.
Come, Google.
Play something.
Wait, I'm taking a photo. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Sense goes no waste time. Sense goes to the sun. Bring spirit, no drama.
Action.
Hello, my name is Zoe,
My name's Jade.
and we are so excited to be here, and we're so happy that you were so inclusive about your culture, and we definitely like to come back here when we're older just to remind ourselves of what it's like to be a Zulu.
And we had a wonderful experience, and thank you for having us.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wasihamba sonke nokusikwamukela endaweni yenu nangemidlamo nisenzele wona siyabonga kakhulu kube mnandi sesiyahamba.
I think it's really fascinating, like learning about the culture, learning about Sangomas, the differences between them, and the dances are like really beautiful, and how the dancers dance and their flexibility and skill I think is really special to watch because I'm not used to that, and I think it's really nice to experience, and that's why I'm really grateful to come on this tour to be able to experience different things and
Yes.
to like experience like Sogumbia and like different things that I wouldn't normally have anywhere else. I think